isang mega love shoutout sa aming nag-iisang Fem TV.
Hi.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much and God bless Fem TV.
Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening po sa inyo lahat. First of all, I just want to say thank you Lord sa lahat po ng blessings na pinagkaloob mo po sa akin at sa amin lahat. Well guys, I just want to say thank you to all of you dahil patuloy niyong sinusuportahan ang aking YouTube channel. Thank you so much Sir Jung, Ma'am Sam, Sir Jamie, Team Copy and Friend, and sa lahat po ng team na nandyan para suportahan ang aking YouTube channel. Ayun guys, tulungan lang tayo para sabay-sabay.
Congratulations once again from Team Samantha, Team Jongtik Reviews, and Team Capio and Friends. We love you, Fem TV. And we'll see you soon. Congratulations again. Bye for now.
Congratulations, Fem TV, on your monetization! Nagagalak ako na naging kabahagi ako ng journey mo dito sa YT through our Burger King Jongtek Reviews. Maraming salamat for trusting us, ang iyong ate Shes sa Team Copy and Friends. Maraming salamat. At in this journey, marami pa tayong pagdadaanan. But always remember that we are here, your friends, your ate, your kuya, sa iyong kuya doon din as well. At manalig ka lamang na may maganda pang future na nakalaan para sa'yo. Always make your content, ayun para lalo pang lumaki na lumaki ang iyong channel at makakilala ka pa ng mga legit at mga great friends dito sa YT. Congratulations! And God bless you more. See you around and stay happy, stay blessed, and remember, you are born to win!
Mega love shout out sa lahat. Kamusta ka? Today have a good news. Our friend FemTV, now she is a monetized channel. Yahoo! Congrats to you, FemTV, and more blessing to come, more revenue, more power to your channel. God bless and keep support us. And then we are always here, Team Samantha, Team JTR, and Team Capio and friends. Yahoo! Congrats again!
Everyone, good day, good afternoon. Everyone who are here in this channel, want to greet Jerica, a happy monetized channel. Sis, thank you for choosing me to
Hi Fam TV! Welcome to the monetization world! Yay! I'm so happy for you, girl. Finally, na-reach mo na yung requirements ni Lola na 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour. Alam natin na hindi ito madali na ma-reach. Kailangan talaga ng perseverance, dedication para ma-reach natin yung requirements na nire-required ni Lolo. And now, na pumasa ka na sa requirements ni Lolo and you are now newly monetized. So, congratulations! Yun. Congratulations! Yay! Talaga naman! I'm so happy for you. I wish you na maging successful sa iyong channel, more videos to come, more uploading, and more vlogging. Yan. So, keep it up. Bye! So, once again, congratulations! Yay!
Congratulations once again sa pagiging monetized channel mo. Just to have you as a friend here in YT, diba? So, wish you more success sa iyong channel and more friends, more blessings, and more bodog dance!
Bye-bye, guys!
Hi everyone, I just want to congratulate TV for now she's a newly monetized channel and more subscribers to come and more views and hope sasahod ka na rin one day. So keep in touch, stay connected. God bless, bye-bye!
Ayan, congratulations po kay Ma'am Jerica Ramirez, ang team leader ng Team Ganda. Congratulations po sa kanyang YouTube channel na FemTV. Ayan, pakisubscribe niyo po siya sa kanyang YouTube channel na Fem TV. Ma'am Jerica, once again, congratulations po sa inyo. Sana all ma-monetize na po. Congrats.
Ayan, congratulations Madam Jerica. I'm happy for you kasi
paano ba sabihin? Hindi ako marunong. I'm a shy type person in front of the camera and you made me do this. Congratulations sa channel mo. Good luck, more power, and I will be supporting you all the way. And thank you also for, and good luck and more power to us. And laban lang.
Congratulations!
Congratulations.
Congratulations once.
Congrats again.
Congratulations!
Congratulations.
Okay, congratulations at congrats sa'yo sa
Congratulations.
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 Congratulations. Yun.